Hi, welcome to Marrvelous Gardening. I'm Sarah Adams Dumas. I had a request about how do you know when your spinach is ready to harvest and how do you harvest it. So that's what we're going to talk about right now. So I have my shears here and I prefer not to let my spinach get much larger than this. So you can see, if you saw the previous video, I shot it 2 days ago, this spinach has already grown just by leaps and bounds. I must have spinach every day. So what you do is you just take your little clippers and just clip here at the bottom of the spinach, and that's it. So you can have this size, see, it's maybe about as big as my hand. And that's all there is to it. So enjoy, and thanks for the question. This is Sarah Adams Dumas signing off from Marrvelous Gardening. Have a marvelous day.